Note, the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive bracket to the solid-state drive. Remove the solid-state drive bracket. Disconnect the left speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the left speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Connect the left speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Place the solid-state drive bracket into position on the solid-state drive. Replace the 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive bracket to the solid-state drive. Important: ensure the left speaker cable is properly routed in the routing channel on the battery.